Welcome to Computics Technologies. In this video we will learn what are structures in Solidity and how we can use them with mapping. In Solidity, a structure is a custom data type that allows you to define a collection of variables of different types. Structures can be used to organize data and make it easier to read and understand. They can also be used to create custom data types that can be used in place of built-in types. Structures can be defined using the struct keyword, and can be used in contracts to define complex data structures such as a user's account information. Let's just understand structures with the use of mapping with a contract of storing and retrieving user information. To declare structure, write the keyword struct and then give it a name. Inside structure, declare three variables: user address, name, and age. Declare mapping of type address that maps to the user struct to store the user's information. Write a function with the name addUser that will take in an address, a name, and an age, and will store them in the user's mapping under the user's address. Now write function with the name of getUser that will take in an address and returns the name and age of the user stored in the user's mapping. Deploy the smart contract. In here we will store user information. For that, copy the address. Paste it here. Write name and age. Store them. And now to get user information, just copy the user address and call the function. As you can see, it shows the name and age of the user against the given address stored in the mapping. Now to see what is stored in the mapping, paste the address. You can see it stores the information of user with all three variables. Now just change the name and age of user. And call all functions again. And the smart contract is working perfectly.